felt that.
Does it cause serious bleeding?
Whoa! What the actual? You see that?
Yeah.
Fucking idiot. Why get in the right lane and sit in traffic when you can just do that? Who needs lane discipline, eh? Who needs it?
That is very soon, and I have some great songs coming up for you as well. All I have to
Wanker!
do is sounds out.
Oh, road rage, road rage. What's going on there then? Opened his door. Oh, we've got a fight kicking off. Oh. Oh, everyone's getting involved now. Looks like it may have been the Passat's fault. Range Rover driver's having a go. Oh, he's off. I think that's it for today.
Wrong way, mate.
But they're very keen to free me up from VAR. There's only two people I trust to do that.
Okay, yeah, that works for
One
me.
of them was on the watches. Alright.
Artwork for his new album called Coming Home, which is out in February. Perfect in time for the Super Bowl halftime show. He's holding.
Go on, run it.
After an accident,
Instructions your side of the road, folks.
his musician and TV radio
Red light.
Myleene Clark.
Who cares? Go through.
My day today is jam-packed.
Well, that was a red light run. There goes his mates. Ribbon on the car, probably been to a wedding.
Phone from the comfort of your inflatable chair. Unlock your core memories. In a corner.
Jesus, man, you just die!
4.56 million!
Zigzags, none of you are supposed to be there. Tell them. Get them, cop.
What are you doing? Stupid woman!
Basically. That's all it is.
Oh. Wasn't really stopping for you, but
No, I didn't think he would, that's why I gave him a bit of space. Even though I had a green light, I thought I'll just give him some room. He's off now.
I just go around like one of the corners around here and I go for a pothole. He's having, oh.
Is he a body? He's a bouncer, he's got a security badge on him. Think about it, he's having a pop at someone in this. Oh, the police are here.
Yeah, I'd say that, that's where, yeah.
Yeah, looks like they've got a job on there.
Yeah, there's one guy, there's two guys
In cuffs?
strange, yeah.
Oh dear.
that's where that van went, wasn't it?
Yeah.
What a great place to stand, lads. That's very dangerous. Didn't even indicate, did he? That really could have caused us an accident.
Yeah, they're in the roads. Be careful with them.
So here we have a couple of Mustang GTs.
Lots of nice cars out today. They're at the park.
And you like the park?
She loves the park. Nice old Jaguar Dane, that. Never seen a Honda bicycle before.
Honda bicycle?
Or a Toyota bicycle either.
Oh.
Very good.
Wrong side of the road, but alright, mate.
brain power of a fish.